Guys, so in today's episode we'll be looking at installing this brand new exhaust. And in the previous episode we have made the car ready to receive it. We have installed all the heat shields throughout the entire car, did a lot of things, and we are in preparations to get this car started. And the exhaust is one of the last things on the list, to be honest. So yeah, you have also seen in the previous video that the old exhaust is really sad looking, and yeah, I just could not install it. So what I have done instead, I have bought myself this brand new catalytic converter. I believe it's made by a Polish company. It's so far really nice quality, I have to say so myself. Nice flex joint here. The pipe seems to be okay. There's a bung for the O2 sensor. The pipes are nice. It's not stainless steel, but it's actually I'm not sure what kind of steel it is. One complaint though, only one hanger for the automatic transmission, and no hanger, should be somewhere around here for the manual transmission. Not a big deal, we'll figure this out. The catalytic converter, yeah, seems to be good quality. We'll see how it will survive. Nice thick flanges over there. So yeah, came with all the hardware to install, the gaskets, the nuts and bolts, full shebang. So yeah, really nice. In addition to this, I have also bought the stainless steel exhaust from Supersport. It's a catback unit. I have somewhere the two pipes that connect to the back of the catalytic converter. Anyways, real nice quality. Twin pipe, 70mm round, angled to fit the MTech 1 bumper. Really nice. I watched a lot of videos on sound. I think it will be really nice and good. So yeah, I'm excited guys, cannot wait to install this thing and hear how it sounds. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cracking. What I'm doing right now is I'm basically marking up the back box here, just because it can hang, I don't need to hold it. And then the next step is we will grease up the pipes with copper grease. We will slide them in, hand tighten everything, and then we will move on to bolting up the catalytic converter. We will jack it up in the middle here, align the flanges, and yeah, bolt everything together, align and do the final torque. So wish me luck. It's very limited on space here, so I hope it all goes well. Here later, once everything is bolted, and yeah, we can also see there was some hack job here with the subframe mount. Technically I should mount it on the upper one. So we'll see when everything is bolted up what we will do here. I'm not worried about it, it will be fine. Let's continue with the catalytic converter. So guys, sorry for the blurry time lapse. It's difficult to work on the car, on top of the car, and no space. So it was, yeah, the camera got out of focus. But yeah, the alignment turned out really well. I'm really happy with how it works out. A new gasket installed, couple of nuts hand tightened. So yeah, let's go under the car and align the catback with the catalytic converter. See how those line up. So good. Let's do it. Just FYI guys, I'll be using the hardware provided in the kit. It's actually looks real decent quality. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So guys, I think it's important to also tighten some of these nuts here, just so I kind of start aligning things here. So yeah, let's go ahead real quick here and tighten some of these bolts a little bit more, so there's less play. And yeah, it's going quite well. Fiddly, uncomfortable, but good.